Hey guys, it's Emily, and this is EmiLou.Arts, and I'm here. I am here, and today I'm going to do a Sugar and Sloth Tiny Party Club unboxing. This is a monthly subscription box that I subscribe to. How many times can I say the word? Lots. So I wanted to show you guys this. A few of you requested it. I adore Anita Perry. She is the UK artist behind Sugar and Sloth, and basically I love her to pieces. Please stay and we'll look at this stuff. Okay, so first of all, I wanted to tell you that Tiny Arm and I are here, and we are definitely feeling better and on the upswing, and I can't even describe to you how uplifting you all are. Like, you could make kittens smile. That's the truth. I just went back and I was going through comments, and like, I can't respond to every single one the way that I want to respond. So I made a heart so that I put a heart next to it so that you would know that I read your comment, and I saw it and it meant a lot to me. And the reason I can't get back to all of you is because so many of you shared your own experiences and said, I deal with this, I am living with this too, and this is how it makes me feel, and this is my experience, and I am so happy that you shared your experience. And I could literally write a book to each one of you back, and my life won't allow that. So if I want to start going again, I have to kind of like just keep going forward. I'm chugging forward, getting through it. I just appreciate all of you guys, and for understanding that depression can happen to anybody, and it's just a brain thing. I wanted to share somebody else that could make kittens smile, and her name is Morgan, and she came and visited me yesterday. She is on Instagram at morganplans1974, and I will link her Instagram down below, and she does planners, mostly planners stuff. She does journal, but she hasn't shared much of her journaling. So if you love planners, Hobonichi cousin, other stuff, stickers, she's a sweetheart, and she just recently started a YouTube channel, Morgan Plans, and so I wanted to share that with you guys too. If you want to go subscribe to her to see more plan with me's on Hobonichi stuff, and I don't know, girlfriend's got planners. She loves it just like I love it. And if you want to support somebody else that is starting out on this fun YouTube thing, who is an absolute sweetheart, then please go subscribe to her. And I wanted to show you guys what she brought me yesterday. We tried to meet up like a month ago, and then there was a snowstorm, so she couldn't drive here. And so we finally just were able to meet up. Look at that. She made me a tote bag. Just put a mild liner heart on it. Oh my gosh. Is that not the funnest thing in the entire world? And then it says EmiLou.Arts on the back. And the heart that she picked even looks like my little mild liner hearts. She's the sweetest pumpkin. I love her. Yeah, go give her a holler, give her a shout, and give her some love. And so now on to the Tiny Party Club Sugar and Sloth unboxing. This came from the UK. I got it probably while I was gone, because I was gone for a couple days over the weekend. And it says delivered by tiny little bunnies. Okay, so first of all, can I just point out how freaking adorable the box is? And I don't want to rip it. But I can't. The sticker is stuck. The sticker is stuck on there, so I must. Which really stinks, because I would save everything. I can't even describe to you how much I love Anita Perry and Sugar and Sloth. She is adorable and so funny. And oh, look at, oh my God, I just want to save everything on this entire box. Is there any way I can take the cover off the box? I just want to put this in my journal. I'm going to take it out of the box. Yay, it's here. Oh my God, her packaging is so cute. It is so cute. Do you have any idea if I could save this? How could I do that? You guys are smart. Because this is cardboard and I don't think I can...
Save card. That's the whole like cardboard thing. Would this peel off? Okay, now we're really... I'll deal with this later.
Okay, so beautiful sticker. That says Sugar and Sloth. I'm going to save the sticker. I want to put this in my journal. I do need to do an updated like journal flip through. I'll probably just make it through the full year that we've had so far, because I was going to show you just January, and then I fell off a cliff, and you never heard from me again. So I will come back. I'm going to glue that in my journal. There we go. And then I wonder if I could like make, I'm going to cut off this guy and make him into a tab on my journal. Because he's hilarious.
Oh my God, they're so cute. Still, I'm obsessed with figuring out if I can peel this off so that I could glue it in my journal.
Get the fuck on with it. Oh my God. Okay. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And the theme of this one, I think, was Tiny Tokyo. I think every month has a different theme. And this month was Tiny Tokyo. Tiny Tokyo Tiny Party Club. Sumo snacks. Oh God, I can't. I love it. Oh my goodness. So, oh, there's a bunch of
Cute.
Oh,
Cute.
look at that. Oh, it's so
Cute.
It's a party. Sugar and Sloth. Cute stuff for nice people. Beware of tiny ninjas. I love this whole thing. It's a pin, like it's a lot of pins, and I love the idea of that because I want to put them on my Delphonics pouch. I love it. I absolutely love it. This is here. It's sticking out to me. Oh, this is the first one you get when you sign up for the Tiny Party Club box. You get a pin. So these must be the 2 pins for this month. And then, what is this? Oh my God, it's a sew-on patch. What would Godzilla do? Oh, these are all going on my Delphonics pouch. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Oh, this is the best. Oh, and then these are vinyl stickers. Beware of tiny ninjas. A ninja octopus. Little thingies. Lucky kitty. What would Godzilla do? And then sumo snacks. Oh my God, you guys, I'm obsessed. Oh, and these are origami bookmarks. Find folding instructions on there. So I'm gonna see what that is, and then maybe I will, I don't know if it'll be something that I can laminate and then use, maybe. I'm not sure. I'll have to see what that is. But I want to cut these little guys out and put them in my journal, because how cute are they? You guys, you really need to check out her Instagram. Everything she does is so flippin' adorable. I started adding stuff to my cart one time, and like between stuff I wanted for myself and then things I wanted to order for other people, I was already at like 50 bucks, and I was like, okay, Emily, you gotta stop for right now. What is in here? Oh, look at this pin. Oh, it's a Lucky Cat Deluxe Enamel pin. Oh my God, you guys, I'm dying. This is so cute. Oh, let me go get my Delphonics pouch, okay? Oh my gosh. Hold on. Okay. So I'm back. Whew. The reason that I love this is because there was like pins and stuff. I'm gonna link the stuff below and you go check it out. And maybe it'll be something that you think is cool, maybe not, but so here's my Delphonics pouch. I think I might need to zoom out. And what I loved about this was because I love pins. I love pins on my Delphonics. So cute. And then all these things I'm going to totally put in my journal. I am like on cloud 9 here. Can you tell? This Sasquatch pin I ordered on Amazon. These two somebody sent me. This one was from Turtle Races in Minnesota. And let's put on this one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Beware of tiny ninjas. And then when I get a chance, I am going to sew on this patch. I have another, and then I have other patches here that I have to still sew on, so that'll be good. I've got a squatch patch and 2 squatch patches and my What Would Godzilla Do. So those patches are going to be going on there. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm loving it more and more every second. Okay, so I'm going to have to figure out where I'm going to put my patch. When I do, I will let you know. And that is it. And like I said, the stickers, the stuff I'm going to put in my journal. So I know you guys wanted to see when I got my box. It's not a pricey box. That's why I subscribed to it. And it wasn't just like planner stuff and stickers, because I don't need all that every single time. I loved the idea that it was like pins and stuff like that. And it's just her. I just love everything about her and I wanted to support her. So, and she has no idea who I am. So not a clue. I paid for this. I am subscribed with my own credit card. Like, it's not, she has no clue who I am. So, this isn't a paid promotion by any stretch of the imagination. So I am glad that you guys are still around and you're sticking with me, and we're just gonna keep moving. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And I will see you soon with a journal update and then more planner stuff, as per usual. So thanks again for being completely amazing people. You're lovely, every single one of you. And don't forget to check out Morgan on Instagram and on YouTube at Morgan Plans. I will see you guys soon. And thanks again from the bottom of our hearts. Me and Tiny Arm really appreciate you. Bye.